Well, we've finally made it to arrays. Think of an array as a variable that can store multiple values. It's a little more complex than that, but that's an easy way of thinking about them. In this example, I have a variable fruit. Fruit contains some string representation of a fruit, like an apple. I can store multiple names of fruits within this variable if I convert it to an array. So to change this variable into an array, surround all of your values with a set of square brackets and separate each value with a comma. Maybe I don't want just an apple, maybe I would also like an orange and a banana. Just so it's more obvious that this contains multiple values, I'm going to change this variable name from fruit to fruits. Well, I guess in the English language, fruit would also be plural, but it's just not obvious. So we have an array, fruits. Now look what happens when I display this array using console.log. If I display my array fruits, it will display all of this junk. You can see the different values within this array. Apple, orange, banana. Each value within an array is also known as an element. If I would like to access a particular element within this array, when I use the array name, I will add a set of square brackets. Then I need to list an index number of the element I would like to access. Computers, they always start with 0, so the first element in my array has an index of 0. If I was to display fruits at index of 0, then we have access to the first element, which contains an apple. The next element, which has an index of 1, is my orange. At index 2, there's the banana. If I attempt to access an element that doesn't exist, such as index 3, well then it's undefined. You can also update and change the elements of an array. So to do that, type the name of the array, followed by an index number. Maybe fruits at index of 0 is now a coconut. And then let's display fruits. So we have a coconut, orange, and banana. If I change this to 1, we have an apple, coconut, banana. 2, apple, orange, coconut. So to access an element from an array, you type the array name, followed by a set of square brackets, and then an index number. You can later on add an element. To do that, use the push method. Type the array name, .push, parentheses, then add a value, like a lemon. We have an apple, an orange, a banana, and a lemon. This will add an element. We can remove the last element, fruits.pop. Okay, that lemon is no longer there. Apple, orange, banana. Removes last element. We have the capability to add an element to the beginning of an array. Type the array name, .unshift method, and add a value. Maybe a mango. Mango, apple, orange, banana. This method will add element to the beginning, and the shift method will remove the beginning element. Fruits.shift. Apple, orange, banana. That mango is gone because I ate it. So the shift method removes element from beginning. You can access the length property of an array. I'll store this within a variable. Let length equal fruits.length. And the length of my array is 3. We have 3 elements, an apple, an orange, and a banana. You can find the index of an element. Let index equal the array name dot index of method. I would like to find the index of our apple value, and I will display this. So again, computers always start with 0. The index of my apple value was found at index 0 at the beginning. Orange would be at 1. Banana is at 2. If you search for an index of an element that doesn't exist, such as, how about a kiwi? Well then this will return an index of -1. That means it was not found. So yeah, everybody, that's an array. Think of it as a variable that can store multiple values. It's a little more complex than that, but that's an easy way to think about it. So yeah, this is the beginning on a small series on arrays. Hey, if this video helped you out, you can help me out by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.